we are going to be unboxing the beautiful, beautiful new Airpods Pro wireless case. Okay, so you guys might be wondering what I'm using the stand for, this Pokemon stand. We don't need that right now, so let's throw it out of the way. What we are looking at is this new AirPods Pro with wireless charging in different languages, and then whatever that is. Do not throw this away. It is recyclable. Okay, and the box is very much different. So yeah. So this is what the front looks like with the textures as well. And the AirPods Pro wireless charging case. Let's get on to this. I am so excited. I am so excited. I want to get started right away. Let's start with ASMR. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't take it out. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like longer. It's like much longer. I'll show you what I have in comparison later, like at the end. Because right now, my old AirPods, I lost them. That's why I got these, or else I wouldn't have these. But sadly, I lost them. Yes, let's put this stuff back into the case, because it's just a pet peeve I have, and I'm going to keep wait, no, I have to do the rest. Okay, I'm going to keep the box right there. Let me go get the thing. Oh my gosh, let me go get the thing. Okay, so I got the stand on it, and this is what I'm going to do. ASMR time. New glossy look. But it is much longer than before, like hand comparison. Bruh, that's huge. Look at that. Whee. Sweet mamacita. This is cool. I love this, man. This is like the best thing ever. Just look at that. Look at that. So smooth. It's the best. Yes. I love it. I really love it. Look at it. It's got the old one, obviously. But let's put this back on the thing. Oh, I'm sorry for all the background noise. And we have this. Take this piece of plastic off. Yes, and the charging. It came with a charging cord. Oh, it's even the new charging port thing. Look at that. Fast charge. Oh, these are like the pads for the thingy with jig. I really didn't want to do that. Sweet. That's cool. That's awesome. Well, I'm going to keep this thingy. I'm going to put it right there because I'm going to use that. This is a cord. I can use my old iPad charger for that. Isn't that the way it's supposed to go? Okay, there we go. And we are going to put everything back. By everything, I mean everything. Okay, back in the box. I'm gonna get my iPad so I can pair these two babies up. I'm back, and they have been paired up. Want to see the new sweet radical look? Oops. I'm so sorry I dropped you. I don't think anything shows up. Let's see if it has been paired. As you can see, it says AirPods Pro connected. So as soon as you open them, they connect. Like, wow. Let's see if I can name it. name. Done. Okay, so that's what they're called. As you can see, it is right there. When I turn them on, connected, as you can see. Then, if I play it, let's go onto YouTube. Let's see, what should I play, guys? What should I play? Let's do something, a good channel. See, as you can see, they're connected. I'm gonna put one in my ear. All right, let's click this video. You can't hear it, guys, can you? You guys didn't hear that. You guys didn't hear it at all. Look. But if I take it off, it disconnects. But then if I put it back in, it goes back. You can live where you already are. If you guys are wondering what great video editor and what great YouTuber made this video, me. Okay, so it's, first of all, this is much longer. As you can see, very cool, very nice. I'm gonna keep it like that. I don't want it to get dirty like at all, so I'm gonna keep it like this, and I'm gonna get, what is it called? Oh, yes, the old ones, and show you guys the comparison. Be right back. With the first version of Airpods. These are my mom's. They're not very bad looking. They actually look, they actually quite look brand new, to be honest. They are very clean. Props to you, Mom. As you can see, the old ones look like this. The new ones look like this. You can see the difference very clearly. This is much tinier, so it doesn't stick out like a toothpick. Thanks, Apple. Let's put it back. Also, it even goes different ways. These two go inwards, the other ones go outwards. So these are the differences. To be honest, this case is actually bigger. As you can see, it's bigger, it's just slightly bigger. Not too much, but like a finger bigger. So these are actually bigger. That's very good. So you won't lose them easily. But I'm going to put a case on mine very soon because I don't want to lose them again like I lost my old ones. But this is the old one. The old one versus the new one. Which one do you guys like better? Props, I like this one better because, well, I won't lose it as easily. But, I mean, like, it's a pro. It's new, bruh. And also, they don't stick out like a sore thumb. Okay. Yeah. And guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, hit that like button. Make sure that little bell goes ding, 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 ding when you hit it after you subscribe. And I love you guys. Hope you have a great day and the rest of your life. Boom.
That's it, Brian?